Nagarjuna Kadampa Meditation Centre, Thornby Hall. It really is a very, very peaceful, still place, perfect to explore your own mind, perfect to just let go of your ordinary problems and busy lives.
People come here because they are seeking some inner peace. They want to de-stress, to get away from their busy world, and they're seeking something a little bit different. Maybe they've tried to find some lasting happiness by getting all the right things in place, the right job, the right house, the right partner, etc. And that's given them some bits of happiness, but it actually hasn't given them the lasting happiness that they really are seeking. What we do here is give people an opportunity to start on a journey of inner peace. And this is really important because what we're saying is that inner peace is something that we develop inside and not something that we can get from the outside world. We have lots of really wonderful courses for beginners and more experienced people. We've got courses that suit everybody, from meditations and afternoon teas to courses on living in the moment, to family meditation classes. But we've also got lots of wonderful events like a Christmas fair and a winter banquet. So many things that we've got going on. But you can come and stay here and have a relaxation weekend or a silent retreat. So whatever your needs are, come and stay with us and have a really relaxing and wonderful time.
After sitting and doing 2 meditations and listening to a wonderful talk, I feel exactly at peace, and that was exactly the feeling that I wanted to achieve whilst I was here. And I will carry on doing the meditations as I know how important they are. It helps you to keep on track and to keep your mind peaceful.
But after today's meditation, look more at the goodness in others, and don't forget that people do a lot for you.
And I would encourage everybody to come and just take one class and just listen to the messages that are given to you, because it's so easy just to carry on through life and be selfish and not care about anybody, but it just puts it all back into perspective in life and keeps you on the track to hopefully becoming enlightened at one stage in life.
I find living here at this centre, it's just such a peaceful and inspiring place to be. It's wonderful being able to welcome so many people who can really gain some benefit from the meditation classes that we run here. And I love being part of that, and I love seeing how much we can give to others through what we do here.
Volunteering here has definitely been one of the best opportunities I've had, I can certainly say. It's a great place to start off a journey. Lots of community vibes in this place. We have our dinner, always a big group, which is great. We play sports, the boys' dorm's always quite fun, lots of musicians, inspirational people. Meditation classes have been incredible so far. Meditation itself has increased for me. You know, everyone's very supportive. In total, I would say volunteering here is pretty much ideal.
We are so fortunate here because our resident teacher is Kadam Bridget Hayes, who is the National Spiritual Director for the UK and a really inspiring teacher that motivates us to travel along this journey towards inner peace.